It's not uncommon for someone with a gas fireplace to experience where they go to hit the remote and the fireplace doesn't come on. What can I do? Well, you can certainly call us and we'll help you. One of the first questions we might ask you is, have you checked the batteries in your remote control? Are they good? If you change them out, does that improve the situation? And sometimes there might even be batteries in the switch itself that need changed out. So we'd encourage you to check those things out before we come out. If we come out and that's what we find, we'll help you out. We've got batteries in the van that we can change out for you, but that's something at home you can try yourself.